That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira te tū, kia waganui te tū.
Hear my brother say, stop. I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Tēnā tātou e te iwi nau mai, haramai ki tēnei pāpā otanga, a whakaata Māori, mihi ki ngā maunga, ngā wai, me ngā ahika o tēnei rohe, tēnā rā koutou katoa. Ki ngā kaiwhakahaere, ki ngā kaiwhakataitai, e mihi mahana hoki ki a koutou. Tēnā rā tātou, e mihi ana ki te rangatira, te maunga o Taranaki, tēnā koe e te rangatira. Welcome to Whakaata Māori and our coverage of our new Plymouth Boys High School versus Napier Boys High School. We're looking forward to this encounter. Both teams have been playing really well this year and we look forward to the two teams. So, first up, the visiting team. In the front row, we've got Houghton, Jones and Waihope. Second row, Morris and Onikawa. In our loose trio for Napier Boys, McLaughlin, Mackie and co-captain Bree. Other co-captain, Bain at half, 10, Lovett, 11, Winchester, and the centre pairing, Warsnop and Pauri, Hansi on the other wing, and Riley Wainga playing there at fullback. And our bench is Ikera, Hewitt, Hunga, Pierce, Beamsley, Allen, Withers, Shelford, and Lum Patelli. And the home team for today, New Plymouth Boys High School, Te Kura Tamatani o Ngā Motu, Nakata, front row, Wera, and captain in the hooker, and Graham finishes up the front row. Second row, Jones and Nichols. The back three, Lester, Bryant at vice captain, and Kay Davis, who's playing at number 8. Sheehan and Lamond have our 9 and 10. Zach Revel and Whippy de Boylan on the wings. Centre pairing Mattock and Guckett. Guckett is having his debut for the New Plymouth Boys High School first 15 today. Congratulations on that debut, Tyler. We've got, and at fullback, we've got LeCane. On the bench, we've got Dennis Koriaitu, Jake Brady, Hahn, Gray, Hurley, Kaugaga, and Jack Hurley to finish off the bench there. There are some key pairings for today that I think and I'm looking forward to. One, we've got Kate Davis at 8 against Puri at number 8 for Napier Boys. And I'm really interested to see how Bain and Sheehan match up. It's a beautiful setting there at the gully. Something that when the whole school's there is a very impressive sight to see all the boys on the terraces there doing the haka. I just want to take this moment to acknowledge also Finn Bryant, who's playing his cap game for the first 15, which is 23 games for the first 15, and who is the son of former Taranaki Bulls player Richard Bryant. And one more off the bench who is also making their debut for New Plymouth Boys High School is Lucas Hurley. It's great to see that the sun is shining here in Taranaki, and we're looking forward to a great fast game on this turf here at New Plymouth Boys High School. Some boys who have been playing some great rugby that I've seen with P.T. Boylan on the wing. Been having a great year. Samuel Graham at prop. We've been having some storming runs there throughout the year. And Nate Werder, who has been leading the team with passion and pride, as expected from Te Kura Tamatane o Ngā Motu. And for the Napier Boys team, someone that's been really directing the team has been Harry Bain. He's had an impressive season in that partner pairing with Will Lovett and getting the go forward by Carter Perry, who's really been a real force for the Napier Boys High School team. And so we're looking forward to this all coming together today and looking forward to a great game. The coaches for the Te Kura Tamatane o Ngā Motu, we have got Chris Luke, and for Te Kura Tamatane o Ahuriri, we have Willie Tran. Both coaches I know have been working really hard to build some continuity in both sides and building throughout the season really well. So as we await the teams to come down onto the gully, the well-known gully, we sit here and we wait for the haka from both sides, and look forward to this match ahead of us. The gully was completed last year, so they've had a good year to practice on the gully. The New Plymouth Boys High School team, and it's a faster style of rugby. A few grass burns there, so yeah, it'd be interesting to see how the boys come out of this one from Te Kura Tamatane or Ahuriri. So, as we can hear the second 15 singing the first 15 of New Plymouth Boys High School onto the gully. So once again, Finn Bryant, congratulations on your cap match. Well deserved. You've been there for 2 years now, and it's great to see you doing your thing. As Carter Perry leads out New Plymouth Boys High School, Napier Boys High School, sorry. From what I can see, we're possibly having a moment of silence for one of the staff members who was tragically lost to cancer over last week. I just want to acknowledge Rob Silver, who is having his service today. Ngā mihi nui, mihi aroha, tēnā whānau. Reira tēnā tātou.
Fortune, eh?
And once again, just before we kick off, I just want to acknowledge Rob Silver, his whānau. Rob Silver was a counsellor at Plymouth Boys High School. Had an incredible connection with our with the young men from Napier Boys. He will be truly missed. So, anō I mihi aroha ki te whānau pani. Tēnei wā pauri. And to get us underway today is going to be New Plymouth, and that is Bastion Lemon, to get us underway today for this match between the Plymouth Boys High School and the visitors, Napier Boys High School today. Te taua wao mo tēnei rā, Will Johnson. He's a very seasoned referee here in Ngā Motu. Oh, Carl, it's not Will. And taken first up into contact by Napier Boys as we get this game underway. And Bain off the back of the ruck. And taken there nicely. And we start off this game with a bit of back and forth, trying to get some field position first up and get this ball going. And once again, we guck at the debutants for today with the through. And controlled nicely by Napier Boys High School. And back there we have got the Kane with the kick. And once again, love it. Kicking for the corner, looking for his 50-22. And the Kane offside there by Napier Boys. Now it's just time to settle down and let's get into the momentum of this game. Just Luke with a few words of encouragement there from the sideline. Tēnei te whakararangi tuatahi i a Mahuriri. Wera with the stroke. And well taken there. Sheehan. Oh, it's a great hole. And through goes. And as they start putting their momentum on, Sheehan, Makata, Samuel Graham picking it up in the middle of the field there. Really getting physical, trying to get that physicality into that game earlier in New Plymouth. And doing a great job, Sam Graham, with the offload there. To Kay Davis, Sheehan again off the back. There's some great momentum here by New Plymouth. Kay Davis put some good go forward again. Sheehan supported there by Blake Nichols. That one fortunate held in over there. Number 3, Waihape got over the ball, some good hands on the ball, and created that turnover. New Plymouth starting strong in their go forward. Kararangi kia Ahuriri. Harry Jones with the throw. And up goes McLaughlin. Takes a clean take. More here, trying to get that go forward. So that to set up the platform for the backs. Murder just in the round. Some good momentum there. Who's that trying to get over there and expect the play? Wanga ki Ahuriri. Uhapa Ahuriri. Love it. Take the ball, kick the corner, and set up platform for the team from Ahuriri to get his momentum. Ahuriri with the go forward. Love it. Looking forward to as they keep going with some good continuity here by Napier as they look for that space on the outside. Bain, love it. Still going forward, right on the try line here, and first try of the game to number 6. Number 6, Holly McLaughlin. Great continuity there. Really set up their space to find those holes back in the middle of the field. Yes. Napier Boys set that up really nicely. Went to the the outside, set it up. And when that ball came back onto the inside, love it here with the kick. And raised away. 7 minutes gone. 5-0 to Napier Boys High School. Both teams have had their opportunities early. So it's been great play in that end, from one end to the other. And great hole there. Going into the hole looking for Wakata. And getting that good go for a good strong run there with Graham over the top of the ball. And once again getting that good go for it in New Plymouth. Blake Nichols with the ball. Again, good strong fight there from with the ball in hand. David, it's a great hole. And again, looking for the outside. Well done there, taken to the outside, off Napier Boys, whakararangi ki ngā motu. Aroha mai whānau, I've got 2 buttons here with the team list. One's just for me, the rest of you see the other one, and I keep clicking the wrong one. Aroha mai. And Bronson got his arm out for playing it with advantage, but not straight. Now Kaiwawa. Bain with the box kick touched in the air, so everyone is onside. LeCain with the ball. Great run from LeCain. Oh, great hand off Upi to Boylan. Great try there. Well worked by LeCain to look for Boylan on the outside. Boylan's had an impressive season with finishing off like that. Always in the right spot. LeCain sort of set that up by just breaking that first tackle and getting that offload out the back door. Great play there by New Plymouth Boys High School. Put the pressure on and come away with the reward. Lamond with the kick here to take the lead. And sent down the middle of the post. Koi te rakana, ki te pai, Lamond. 11 minutes into the game, and the score is 7. The Kura Tamatani on Ngā Mutu 5. The Kura Tamatani on Ahuri, love it with the restart. And dumped by LeCain. And again, Plymouth Boys High School come away with the ball and looking for some open space. Kay Davis, Sheehan with the box kick, unfortunately straight out. Some good continuity from both sides. And both teams are looking impressive when they get the ball in hand, and after a few phases, up goes Bree, taking the ball in strong. And the next one coming through from Napier Boys High School. Tino kaha te uma. Bain going blind. And just trying to get some field position, bring in those the defenders from New Plymouth Boys High School. Bain, love it, looking for the hole. And well done, that man. He got straight over the ball. Who was that? Lynn Bryant. Great effort there from the captain of New Plymouth Boys High School. Got over that ball really quickly, and unfortunately Napier Boys were just a little bit slow to get over the ball to protect it, but I think that's more of a great effort from Bryant. The ball hasn't gone out. They've got open space here. And that one forward there. Kaiwawao standing in a perfect position to catch that one. Well, he's sharing with the ball into the scrum here. And see how we sit in this platform. I te rata kawe. When they kapa.
Right, good.
Kian, the whangai ki tēnei rum. Kian and Maddock with the ball. Great strong run of Maddock. And looking for the outside. And unfortunately passed back into the 22. So going back into the 22 for a throw for Napier Boys High School. Harry Jones with the throw.
Oh, maybe.
And up again goes Ollie McLaughlin. Looking for that outside space. Great intercept there. Ian, Samuel Graham lining up for those for his run. Mr. Consistent. Sheehan with the box kick. Right there off up. And one up there. Maddock on the inside of the field there. So looking for that throw from Napier Boys. Shut that down. Jones with the throw. And up. Goes three. Again, out in the back line. Just to get that go forward, love it. And knock on played there. Blake Nichols, good strong runner, with a good set of wheels on him. Sheehan, and once again, looking to Boylan, away and just push out. Good, strong runner as Rippy to Boylan. Unfortunately, just put the foot out there. So throw to Napier Boys in once again. Then they look at Arangi. More to Napier Boys. Great control. And he's come straight through the middle, Samuel Graham, sorry mum. Samuel Graham straight through the middle of that scrum. Did a great job to upset the maul. Wai tō mahi Samuel. No, again, Sheehan with the feed to the scrum. Sheehan. Davis off the back of the scrum. Good, strong runner. There's Davis. Boys makes that advantage line. Sheehan. Worked it up on up. And enough pressure on Lovett just to make a little bit of a bobble. And the high tackle there by by Napier. New Plymouth throw. Ona ki te Rarangi. Rarangi ki a Napier. On my Jones.
Where are you?
And forward there, Nonoke ki a Ngā Motu. Whangai ki te Nonoke a Sheehan.
Yeah, good.
Sheehan ki te whangai ki te mua here. Haere tonu Davis. And Davis and Three come together. Goes to the box kick and charge down. Great effort there to get away. Just a little bit of the cane with the ball. Trying to get over and getting the Makata with the ball in hand. And some good go forward. That's an excellent dummy kick. And once again, Peter Boylan going for his run. And the ball has been turned over. Some great turnover there by Napier Boys. Great to see these young men going head to head. And nice little chip over the top. And control. Now they need to slow it down. And just get that go forward, get that platform set for their putting up what they need to do. Nakata over the ball. Has he got the... Right, just gone down on his arms. Great pressure from Plymouth Boys High School. Daniel Graham again coming up with that. Love it. And over the ball. Look over the ball. Scott Davis has come through over the ball. Great contact there by Plymouth Boys High School. Lane. And once again, Napier Boys trying to get that go forward going. And box kick here by Bain. As the rain starts to come down. Actually, it's more than coming down. Mai nei mo te anō te Rarangi Piro. McCain. Post runner. And love it with the ball. What we're going to do is going to look for that space. Three. Again, the ball looked like it getting to a bit slippery out there. And MΑORI with the run, which he lost in the tackle. And Blake Nichols again with those strong runs. Pere te tangi te pere o Kaiwawa. Feeling the ball. Love it. Going to be kicking for the line. Twenty-four and a half minutes gone in the game. Nā motu whitu ahuriri irimi. Plymouth Boys 7, Napier Boys 5. And Napier Boys going for the drive. Pōkiri ahuriri. Tūne taha te pōkiri. MΑORI. Run the MAORI. Gain. Wainga with the ball. And again, trying to get that go forward for Ahuriri. And over the ball again, Bain looking for Inikawa. Great run there by Inikawa. And great defence, really pushing those runners back in Plymouth. And then Napier look to the outside. Inikawa again, just involved in the previous play. And love it with the ball. Just discipline there for Napier, and we're going to get there's a penalty there with the harmony a few kia ahuriri i tēnei wā. So they come in with the water. Just Luke in there, having the word. And a How many? Yeah.
How do you pull up? You right?
Okay, but that's different area. Like that, yeah, I was on my way when I saw you.
Hare tēnei whana ki te rarangi mātou. Yeah, and unfortunately missed the outline there. So Napier with the ball with 7 minutes to go in this half. Then they hung up. There seems to be a lot more balls in the air. The Kane with the ball. Impressive speed as the Kane. The support there from Mupi Tupoilam. And great take there from that player from Napier Boys. As they get there, go forward, we've got Nichols there holding the player up from the Plymouth Boys. Bain looking for a lover at the back there. MΑORI, great run there by MAORI, just getting in behind the advantage line. And Wainga with the ball. And Whakamua. Wainga can caught up. Nunga ke ngai nei mo mamotu. Been the game that I've been looking forward to this year. Having just taught at Plymouth Boys High School and now teaching at Napier Boys High School. Both are very close, both teams very close to them. Sheehan and Maddock with the ball, or Sheehan, Davis, and Bowdy with the ball, and Davis well over the ball. That we've got on the cover there. Bain. Great run, great effort there from the back of the hand, looking for. Yeah. Well done, Plymouth Boys High School, stolen that ball. Great break there by McLaughlin. Sheehan with the ball again at the back of the ruck. Box kick. Vai tira ate kawe. Muinei kapa. To Jones. McLaughlin. Yeah. Haere Hauriri. Whaminiti ki te mutinga o tēnei wāhanga. Went over there from the mall. And again, looking for, well done, Sheehan. Bringing to piri o the Kaiwawao, Will Johnston. Tūhapa ahuriri. It's tūhapa ahuriri. Whana te kaiwhana. Te tēnei rārangi ki a Palmerston.
Good luck, Timmy.
And Davis, good strong one there. Behind the advantage line, but giving the boys an opportunity to get them behind. Sheehan. And Sheehan, great round the back there. And Whoopi to Boylan. Oh, that's an unfortunate bounce. Bit of a lolly scramble there. E rua miniti ki te mutinga o tēnei wahanga. Graham with the Wakata. Sheehan. And again, up and under. Ki te whakamua. Ahuriri. Nemo ke tīnei i a ngā motu. Rau ngā maihi o inei apa kapa i tēnei whakataitau. Sheehan with the feed. Ian. Merrick, good strong one there from Merrick in the middle of from the centres. MΑORI, good tackle there. Davis again, always makes that go forward. Davis still with the ball, and
Stay there, bro. Stay there. Drop. Go for a look.
Jake Nichols, good strong run there too. Really trying to get that go forward. With time up on the clock. All but up on the clock here. I don't know what the referee's time is doing, but here, looking for that space. And as we get out of the, as Napier get out of the red zone.
Come on up, shoot for it. Yep, get up.
And great hole there. And he kicked. And Samuel Graham. Good strong run there by Samuel Graham. Haere tonu. Ki te piro Rārangi piro. And up it goes. Some great play there. And we've just got a pause in the game here for a substitution. Let's see if we can see who's coming on. No. The whakararangi ki a ahuriri. In a well played. Sheehan, great rip there out of the maul. And Kumitu, tēnei pana, ki tēnei wahanga. New Plymouth Boys High School 7, Napier Boys High School 5. Great game here at the Gully in Ngā Motu. And we will be back right after the break.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, but they have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata MāORI.
Hey, sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's saluting when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Tefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Tēnā tātou te kahui manga, anō mai hoki mai tēnei whakataitai wainga nui ngā motu me ahuriri ngā kura tamatānui. Tēnā tātou. First half was a great half. I think that half actually reflects the score. Very close. Could go either way, still go either way in this match up between New Plymouth Boys High School and Napier Boys High School. And no doubt there'll be lots of messages out there for both teams. Love it to get us underway. Te pimata mo tēnei wahanga. Koe tira whana ki te rarangi. Whakararangi ki a tuatahi mo tēnei wahanga ki a ahuriri. We do. We have a replacement on Pauri with the break. And an early break here from Napier Boys High School. Hai tērā piro ki a Pauri. Great try. Just finding the holes and getting in early for the first try of this wahanga. 1 minute into the half, Napier Boys High School 10. Plymouth Boys High School 7. Love it to take the kick. Yeah. Napier Boys set a good platform there to get the running on their angles into those holes. MΑORI coming through. Love it with the kick. And conversion goes over. 1 minute 43 into the second half. Or Napier 12, Plymouth 7. Command to get us underway. And great effort there, take under pressure. And number 19 for Napier Boys has come on. Beamsley Allen. And Sheehan. Sheehan with the ball. Sheehan again. And Mattock with a strong one here. Sheehan. And Samuel Graham coming in with a great strong one. He is just growing. Oh, sorry, there's Samuel Graham there. And great charge down by, sorry, can't see who that is there. Bain. Olimaki just getting over the ball nice and early. Bain again. 3. Bain. And a great contact in there. Bain with the ball. And again, MΑORI looking for that space again. Doing great things out there. Advantage. And Will Lovett sees the advantage and has just gone for the kick. Great effort there by Lovett. He recognised the advantage and kicked for the corner in the hope that his would get there. And Bree has opted for our Pope for this for Lovett to kick to the post. And great start here by Napier Boys High School. They've come out with purpose. But to be fair, the Plymouth Boys have not had the ball yet in this half, so it'd be great to see them with the ball in hand. And love it with the kick. Up the flags go. Score 15. Ahuriri 7. Ngā motu. So, Lamar with the kick. And great effort to keep that in. And again, trying to maintain control. Love it. Pana ki te rārangi. Whakararangi nei wā ki ngā motu. Weirder with the throat. Then Brian takes that ball nicely from the line out. And we're looking for space. Great ball up there for Maddock. And away they go to the high tērā piro. Blake Nichols using his wheels. The impressive lock with a lot of gas there. Well done to Blake Nichols and finding that space. The New Plymouth Boys. Hai tērā piro ki ngā motu. 7 minutes gone. Tēnei wāhanga tuatahi. Ngā motu, te kaumārua. Ahuriri, te kaumārima. Le man, tēnei whana, kai whana, le man. And hai tērā whana o man. Score, New Plymouth Boys High School 14, Napier Boys High School 15. Hard-fought game here by both teams. It's great to see them being able to let that ball fly on this turf. Sun's come out, and it'd be great to see some really good open play here. Maddock with the take. Taken by MΑORI. And Nakata. Ian. And the man with the kick. Yeah, and love it. Going to kick back down. And McCain did up. Right. And we have the ball here for Bain. Great short ball there. And again, love it. Great hands there. And we're looking for the turf. Seems a little bit slippery underfoot there. And away Bain goes. Right. Te hāmeni ki MΑORI. Tino tūhapa ngā motu. Hoi whana ki te rarangi. Hoi whana love it. Ka rarangi tēnei. Ia nei pia. Anō. Tēnei kōkiri tū ki ahuriri. Haere tonu ki te rārangi piro. Bain looking for Lovett. Looking for the outside, Napier Boys. Kamua. I'm looking for our substitution here. Seeing if Ano Katua and typically New Plymouth weather. We've got the rain coming down again. Chien ki te whangai. Te whangai I roto I tēnei nonoke. And we reset. It's looking pretty slippery under the feet at the moment. A lot of boys slipping over. But this facility is outstanding. Johnson pulled it back. So, whangai anō kia ngā motu. No kaha wātou. Just trying to look to see who has come on for in the front row for Napier Plymouth Boys. Might be Lucas Hurley, although I'm not sure, and if that is the case, congratulations on the debut today, Lucas. Yeah, Davis is the back. Then Sheehan again, touch kick there. The ball goes through the sideline. The play taha, tira taha. It's the mua. I loro I tira whakararangi. Nōngu te nainei ki a ngā motu. Tien whangai tēnei I tēnei nonoke anō. Ian. But it's on to Davis. Ian. And knocked on there. Advantage for the knock on to Napier Boys. Bang. Just looking for the chip in behind. And Ware te kōro ki tērā hoitaha. Man, put the throw in there. I love it. Nanda, Hana Kirunga Kiraro. And MΑORI's there. Oh, great. Unlucky. Great play. Oh, great control there by Napier Boys. Bain looking for their open space. Balls come. Bain again. Oh, looking for that quick and looking for the outside. Well done there, covering tackle from Blake Nichols. Penalty there. to Hamene kia Ahuriri. Kararangi. The Napier Boys looking to set their platform up, maybe bringing MΑORI into the crashing position that he seems to really thrive from. Tira atu ki tērā rārangi piro, haere rātou ki te tū. Bain, and looking for that hole. Bain, looking for that long, looking for the outside. Some great fight there by New Plymouth. Mackie, yeah, perhaps. And then that go forward. And Kāori again, looking for the outside, love it with the ball, taking it in, keeping in control. Great effort here by Napier to control the ball. Love it again involved. Great effort, looking for the holes there, just to bring those players in from New Plymouth. And Napier looking for the outside again, looking to control the tempo of the play. And great run there, and straight on the ball. Well done, possibly Kate Davis. By Hamene kia Ngamotu. From what I can see, maybe his arms on the 9 there. In those situations, you've got to leave the half alone. That young man there has had a great game today. Strong, powerful. Samuel Graham. Mihi ana ki tana whānau, Iahi Te Reiria. Just a quick mihi to his whānau that I know will be watching over in Australia. Mihi ana ki a koutou. So as these boys reset, both teams reset to go again. There'll be lots of messages out there for control, discipline, and upping the tempo. Both teams are playing some great rugby. So we are 20 minutes in to this, 19 minutes into this game, into the second half. So Plymouth Boys High School 14, Napier Boys 15, and Wainga with the ball. Very good, strong runner here, and he continues to go up the middle of the field. Tino kaha tērā oma. By Bain. And good strength there by Nichols to try and hold up that runner. No, our referee had called it a maul, and the ball had gone to ground. No turnover ball. Nono ke Inane ki a Ngamotu. This game is still hanging on the balance with 15 minutes to go. Could go either way. Both teams are making great plays, and it's just maybe those last moments where a ball might go to ground between both teams in the game at the moment. Great game here. Oh, Davis is putting the ball into the scrum here. Sheehan is at the back at number 8. Medic going into space. Pauri just by the ankles there by Pauri. And great offload there. And they've got a good go forward here, New Plymouth. And right there, Brody Lester. Right there up here, Brody. Just a man on the spot at that moment in time. Brody Lester goes through for the try. So this time we've got Te Kaiwhana Le Mans. Okay. Right tira whana wanganui o ngā pau. Right tira uhanga. With about 12-13 minutes to go. Score ngā motu. Kua te kau mātahi, ahuriri, te kau māringa. Love it with the kick. And unfortunately, a little bit of a lolly scramble there. No one knew where that ball was going, such as the nature of a rugby ball. Hau, whakamua o ngā motu. Mono ke ngā nei ki a ahuriri. Bain with the feed. Wangai ki te nono ki a Bain. Right. Haere tonu 3. Bain. Ano te 3. Haere tonu te tama. Harawe. And Bain. Ano Wainga. And great kick through. McCain at the back there to mop up the ball. And putting pressure on Napier. Right. Great. Up there. Napier boys are on attack in the 22. Rarangi tēnei, kia ahuriri. Hai, haere tonu tēnei kōkiri tū, haere tonu tēnei kōkiri tū, ki te Rarangi piro, haere tonu a Maki. And some big fight. Tērā te whakararangi piro, Rarangi piro, haere tonu rātou. Oh, kapai. Will Johnson right on the spot. No advantage. Kore Painga. Mohamene kia Ahuriri. Ni tūhapa a ngā motu. Iwa miniti ki te mitinga o tēnei whakatautau. Haere tonu. Just came a little bit disconnected there, the Napier boys. And New Plymouth Boys High School were able to take that ball out to a big taha. Great challenge. Merrick. Oh. And unlucky. Big taha. No challenge there in the lineup. Oh, they're setting up their maul again. They're setting up their kōkiritu. Haere rātou ki te rārangi piro. Engari, hoi te kaha o ngā motu. Hei tēnei kitu. Hāmine. Ringa I roto I te... I roto... So, Napier boys have opted for the scrum on this occasion. What will we see here? We'll see 3 come off the back. With a little over 6 minutes to go. Bain. Very, as expected, off the back of the scrum. Get some momentum forward and looking for that outside. Good work. Haere tonu, haere rātou ki te rārangi piro. Very close now. Going to keep that momentum going. A wainga, MāORI. Whakawhakamua. Advantage. We're expecting a substitution to come in here. 3 substitutions. Unfortunately, I can't see their numbers yet, so just trying to see where they're at. Just on 5 minutes to go. And they, Plymouth Boys 21, Napier Boys 15. Yeah, Lucas really coming to the sideline again for back up. Sheehan with the feed. And cleared up into the middle of the field. Wying up with the ball. MΑORI, unfortunately, back on the game by MAORI. So, as we come into the dying minutes of this game, you have to wonder what the mindset is around these young men. I think that the teams will have that belief, both teams will have that strong belief that they can pull this one out of the bag. It'll be just interesting to see how both teams respond in these last 3 to 4 minutes. And once again, we have got the Whakapaka playing the advantage for that is Will Johnson. Yep. Love it. MAORI. Work. Taking it to ground now. And they've gone over the ball with a lot of sprint power there. And once again, Samuel Graham with the ball. Tana and Whakawhakamua with the Pauawau. There's a time stop there. We're making a few changes here. With only minutes to play, this game is still hanging on the balance here. Whanga ki tēnei ngongoke. Ari ki waho ki tēnā waitaha. Moments to go as we bring in Hobbs.
You're on the big mission now, though.
So as we go through and up goes number 6, McLaughlin. And really looking to open up this field, and Brady put there and taken out. Yeah, Lacane, great tackle, taken to the outside of this field. Pararangi, tēnei ki a ngā motu. We are in the wā o te taua wā. We start, Brady put there. And it's great control there by Plymouth Boys. As we go forward. Yeah. Plymouth Boys are really trying to keep this under control as we go into the dying seconds of this game, Samuel Graham. Both teams really put on a match for the crowd today. Those of you watching on Waka MāORI. As they look for the kick out. And the Mutu tēnei whakataitau. Plymouth Boys High take this outstanding game 21 point to 15. Great game by both teams. Impressive set of skills. And Plymouth Boys High School really fought to the bitter end, trying to maintain that lead. Nō reira, ko te mātou mahi I tēnei rā, ngā kaiwhakahaere, ngā kaiwhakataitau, ngā haumaru ka haere. Nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa, ko tūhono mai I tēnei hōtaka noho o Ramai. Great game there by both teams. Whānau, not much more to be said, really. It was a great effort and great pressure put on by both sides in this game right to the very last minute. Could have gone either way. Napier came back with a very quick try after half time, and Plymouth fought back. They fought hard. Nau mihi ana kia koutou ngā kapa o te kura tamatāne o ngā motu I te kura tamatāne o Ahuriri. Mihi ana kia koutou ngā tama I tēnei whakataitau. Nō reira, tēnā tātou kapa.
Don't say that to me.